Hello there guys, I am Kaustubh Boido. I am back with another fresh episode. In this video, I will be doing the review of Sennheiser Cx180 headphone. This is made for music lover. My friend bought it from Flipkart Big 10 sale with some discount. I know the video comes late, but the freedom sale will come Flipkart in very soon. So you definitely look it for, and the price link I gave in the description area, and just check it once. So now let's start the video. Here you can see the MRP of this headphone is rupees 1090, but he got it in just rupees 575. That is very incredible. So let's see the box content first. And I have already opened the box, and here you can see in the box we got the headphone and some extra earbuds, nothing else. And I have to say that the quality of the wire is actually good, and it gave very good sound. So if you like vocal songs, you loved this one. And another good thing about this product is that this is in-ear type, so this did incredible job in noise cancellation. But when you play any music, then it is not completely isolated the sound, but if you raise your volume, it gives you completely isolation. That is a pretty good thing. And again, don't wear it while you driving, because you can't hear anything that time. Now coming the critical thing of sound quality. And if you are a person who liked pops and rocks music more, then don't get this, because the bass is pretty low in this earphone. And I tested it a couple of times, but it gives the same result. And but for all Hindi tunes and musics, the mid and high range musics are pretty good, and it actually nice. So in the conclusion, I say that if you like vocals and melody songs, then this mid-ranger is definitely for you. But for all bass lover, this is not for you guys. And another thing, you keep your mind that this phone is not available in microphone actually, so you have to keep it in your mind. So that's it for now guys, and I think this video is pretty useful for you. And if you like this video anyhow, so please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will become another good video and useful video for you guys. So that's it for now. Until next time, bye guys.